Hey guys, how's everybody doing? It is Sunday afternoon and we've got the first update on the Switchblade Plane, and the way I've decided to do this, because seems so far to be going together so quickly, that what I'm going to do is just film real quick little segments, like every couple of steps, and then do the final reveal at the end, and I'll put it all up as one video. So I'll show you what we got done so far. We've got all the major pieces in paint. There's all the black. There's the silver knives. And if I can, there we go. There's the red. And then we have completed the first couple of steps, which is getting the cockpit together. And what I did was I stuck with some lighter colors on the pilots, so hopefully maybe you'll be able to see them through that smoked glass of the canopy. But then I used the old trick of silver paint and then the Tamiya clears for the instrument panels. And he's got a scope on his side there. And I did the same thing with their visor. You know, I just realized that their helmets, the way I've got them painted, looks like a fireman's hood, like a fireman would wear. But oh well. On the helmet there, the red visor, I was kind of going for what were they called? Borgs, from Battlestar Galactica, the bad guys. Didn't their visors kind of glow a little bit? Or what am I thinking of? But anyways, and then we went with the silver diamond plate for the floor there. So anyways, like I said, I'm going to keep these short, so I'll be back when I have another little bit done. Stay tuned. We're back, and we're up to step 5 is completed. And we've got our pilots and cockpit installed. The rear landing gear is installed. And the engine is installed. But that's what it's looking like from this side. So, okay, we'll be back with another update here real quick as soon as we get another couple steps done, or there's something to show you. Stay tuned. Hey guys, we are back again, and we are up to step 6, which we got the fuselage closed up. We got the, I guess you would call it a missile bay. And I'm trying to get under some better light. folds up like so. And there's the rear landing gear. There's the rear engine. So that's where we're at now. Heading to step 7. We'll be back. Hey guys, well, we just finished step 11. And we got the canopy on, as you can see. And we got the little side cannons on there. And they actually rotate back and forth. And the same on this side. And the canopy doesn't quite sit the way it's supposed to, but we'll live with it. We'll play with it a little bit more, see if we can't get that a little tighter. We got the nose piece on. Those little side grills there on both sides. We got that piece on the bottom there. So that's what she's looking like so far. So really all we have left are the wings and the landing gear. So next update will probably be the final. We'll give you a look-see. So I'll be right back. Hey guys. Well, here it is, the final segment for the final reveal. We got it done. So I'm really happy with it, with the exception of one thing, and I'll show you what that is. And it's just the design of the plane. Why they did it this way, I have no idea. I mean, I have found out that this is a series. I think Tommy said he saw that it was like a Japanimation or whatever they call those cartoons over there. So if any of you have seen it or know anything about it, maybe you can leave me a note down in the comments about why they did this. But anyways, let's just get on with the final reveal here. There it is. We'll give you a spin around here and see if you can catch what I'm talking about. I love the wing stance on this plane. It's so cool. But the little blasters or laser cannons, whatever they are, they do move side to side. And the cockpit does open up. So you can see the pilots down in there. And we'll show you the bottom here. And I really like the way the paint came out. This metallic red with the semi-gloss black. I think it looks great together. Now, for the one thing that I hate, I'm sure you had to have noticed it by now, are those landing pads. Why they've got them sticking up in the air like that, I have no idea. But that is the dumbest looking thing, in my opinion. And I mean, they're right. You can see it on the box art right there. That's the way they are, and that's the actual built model. So, oh, I forgot to show you the bomb door here does open if I can do this one-handed. It opens up and get some light in there so you can see the missiles. So and one more thing it will do, the wings do fold back. So I think the term switchblade is very appropriate. So that's it. That's the final on it. Overall, it went together great. If I know one or two of you have commented on my video, the unboxing that I did, that you might be interested in getting this one. Let me give you a tip here, and I'll show you in the instructions here real quick. Let's see here. Just give you one example. Like right here, it's showing you that this piece goes down and connects to that red tab right there. And it does that throughout the whole instructions. And that's good old Mr. Todd texting me. He's taken Tommy's place since Tommy's on vacation. But thanks, Todd. But anyways, through the whole instruction booklet here, it shows you where these parts are going to attach by making them this bright red. Well, do yourself a favor and before you paint it, tape off, go through the instruction booklet and tape off all these areas where the red tabs are, and you will save yourself so much time and so much trouble of having to scrape paint off the connection points, because it will not go together with paint on there. I mean, it is so tight fitting that it will not go together with even just one layer of paint on it. So just like I said, save yourself some time and headache and just go through and tape those areas off, and then you don't have to worry about it. Pull the tape off and everything will go together really, really easy. And stay together too, because it is so tight. The only thing I had to use glue on was these little tips right here on the front right there. I had to use glue on those, and I had to use a little bit of canopy glue on the two glass pieces on the canopy here. I mean, because they fit in there, but if you touched them, they popped out. So I went ahead and glued those on. But other than that, that was it. A very, very nice kit, very fun to build. And it looks pretty cool when it's done, other than the landing pads. So, alrighty, I'm not going to bump my gums any longer. I'm not going to keep you. And you guys have a great week coming up. And we'll talk to you on the next video. Bye now.